2. This ain't gonna fit. This ain't gonna fit. So that could be an issue. Are we? See, there's no way in heck that's gonna fit. Gonna fit. See? Too big. That's got a bigger, it's like this won't fit on there. See? Because this is hitting the body, so there's nothing. Splice I can put in here. I don't have a big enough splice. Just gonna hit it's this, which is not good. That's gonna pop right off. It's not even on really. See if I can rig something up here. Try this. Try this. And that won't fit. Dang it. I need to get some clamp. I got that. But it's like I'm gonna have to somehow put some type of clamp around here. So I'll have to open the clamp up and then put it back together on here. I'll just leave it like that. That'd be cool. No, there, no problem. It's weird. Ain't show enough, you know. The tube was coming down, you know, for the heater. So, looks like we're gonna wait another day. Another day, another day. This one's a little too big. What's that? Here's another one of these coming. See if I can make it. Oh, I can make that.
Went underneath the Beetle.
Okay, let's go.
This is turning into not a tutorial.
Oh, it's not really a tutorial kind of thing, you know? It's not really a tutorial, you know? Trying to get a couple things in here. This one gonna fit? That one gonna fit?
This is the most chaotic video ever.
That's not gonna fit either, dear. We need to find one that's gonna fit. Oh, that one's gonna fit, I tell you that much. Ooh, too short. Maybe this one good?
This is an absolute fine. How do you do?
Now, see if I can somehow finagle this into place.
Can you spell finagle?
F-I-N Nagel. There we go. Okay. Maybe the angle's too much.
angle apparatus?
No, I gotta. We try bending this a little bit. Get some pliers. All right, I think it's biting now. Good.
Are we fishing?
Pretty much. All right, let's tighten that bad boy up right there. All right, that should work, right? Good. Oops. Try that. All right. Got ourselves a little breather in here. Oil breather, little filter. Perfect.
Is it though?
Not too bad. I think it'll do what it's intended to do.
You starting to rip?
I guess I could try.
Do you have your keys on you?
I have the spare key, I believe, in here. Here. Yellow connector. Connect it. Okay. Okay.
A ton of white smoke. You hear me?
What's that?
Yeah, a ton of white smoke.
Okay. A lot of fuel, probably. Oh, rich.
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to be connected. Guess that popped off, huh? This is
There's
just
your problem.
Yeah, that's not good, right?
No wonder it's not getting to the fuel pump.
Let's see here. Let me grab a little filter or a little plier, actually. that move so much isn't good. That could affect the timing right there. Oh, it's been messed up a little bit there.
Looks like there's smoke coming up from that filter area. Those wires over there.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like right above those wires, actually.
Coming, dear?
Yep.
Damn.
So you're causing too much smoke and
Really?
tomfoolery.
Really? Okay. That's not good. That's not good, dear. You know?
Surprised you're not wearing gloves.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm not wearing no bright clothes either.
I know. You are overdressed to be in the garage.
Yeah.
Who
She's
works
late.
on the VW in a polo?
Light colored pants too.
Mm-hmm. And Skechers.
Yeah. Isn't that Skechers? Yeah. Yeah. A little sketchy.
whole video is gonna be sketchy.
Mm-hmm. All right, at least that'll hold it in, probably. Right? Maybe.
Let's hope.
Okay. Yes, that's real cold. Getting probably too much air. It's freezing. Ow. That one's cold, so this one's not. This one's blocked up. Well, today we went ahead and put in a oil breather filter here. Got that in, and then we want to starting up with a new carb on here with a clean carb, and it seems to be running all right. I got to do some fine adjustments here, and kind of go from there. But we also got a drain in here too. Let's see if it starts again. Okay. Adjustments on the carb, but you know what? Hey.
Consider that running?
Huh?
You consider that running?
Yeah. Good enough.
You're moving it to the front of the house?
No, I'll leave it in here.
Okay.
Well, I don't know, I mean, I guess I could.
That way this weekend we can push the bus out and push the square around.
I guess we could do that. Guess we could do that.
Not that I'm expediting the work on either of those.
I'm gonna have to, we'll have to move one of the cars.
Watch that pole.
All right, guys, not much of a tutorial today. Just kind of get it running, put the filter on, the oil breather filter, and then start it up. After we had the carb on there, it's running, not very good, needs some adjustments, but we're gonna go ahead and mix the air fuel mixture probably tomorrow. So, that's where we're at, guys. Thanks for watching this uninformative video. And we'll see you guys later. Have a good night.